National Haitian Convention 2025. Are you ready? Nula.
Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters in Christ, it's happening! The National Haitian Convention 2025 is coming, and you cannot afford to miss it. This is the moment where God's people come together to worship, to praise, and to fellowship. And this year, we're taking it to another level at the stunning Kalahari Resort and Convention Center in Pocono, Pennsylvania. Powerful worship, transformational preaching, a life-changing experience. Mark your calendars. May 23rd to May 25th, 2025. 3 unforgettable days in God's presence. We've got an incredible lineup of anointed speakers. Get ready for Bishop Gary Lewis, Dr. Francois Gentil, Pastor Francis Maristal, Bishop Joel Vibert, Bishop Malone Green, and our chairman, Bishop Serge Jerome. And let's talk about the venue. Kalahari Resort isn't just any location. It's a family-friendly paradise with an indoor water park, an entertainment center, a spa, and amazing restaurants. Yes, you'll worship by day and unwind by night in one of the most exciting resorts in the country. This year's theme is Be Strong in the Harvest. God is calling us to rise up, take our place, and bring in the harvest for His kingdom. We're talking about a weekend of supernatural empowerment, divine encounters, and breakthrough moments that will transform your life forever. You don't want to wait. Register now at www.nhconvention.com. Don't come alone. Bring your family, your friends, and your entire church. Let's pack the house for an unforgettable move of God. So, are you ready? Worship, word, fellowship, revival. The National Haitian Convention 2025 is going to be epic. See you at Kalahari Resort in Poconos, Pennsylvania. May 23rd to 25th, 2025. Register now at www.nhconvention.com.
Nula. Nula. Nula.